Hey everyone, if you're looking to replace your ceiling fan with a new light fixture or ceiling fan, the first thing you're gonna have to do is uninstall that old fan. Since a lot of these things come with houses and you no longer have the instructions, I'm gonna quickly show you how to get a ceiling fan, specifically one with this style of light fixture here, off of the ceiling and ready to install your new fan. The first thing we'll do, as always, when working with systems that are powered by our home's electricity, is go ahead and we make sure we've got all the electrical currents turned off to that system. So yes, you can go ahead and turn your power switches off on the wall, but to be 100% sure, we're gonna go ahead and flip the switch in our breaker and make sure there's no power being supplied to this system at all. Once you've confirmed there's no longer electricity running to the fan, we'll go ahead and disconnect the fan's wiring. The wiring's almost always gonna be connected up above this top decorative piece here. In my case, I can remove this without the fan coming down itself, and this will still hold the weight of the fan while I reconnect the wiring. If you have a unit that's flush against the wall, and where if you disconnect it or turn it to lower it and reach that wiring, and the entire weight of the fan is being held by you at the same time, you're probably gonna need to either, one, get someone to help you hold the weight of that fan while you disconnect the wires, or two, you can use this hack that I've seen before where you wear a backpack on the front of you and you can lower the fan into that backpack to kind of hold that weight while you use your hands to disconnect the wire. And go ahead and remove this piece just by finding the screw that's holding it on here and then rotating it until that drops into that hole, and then I can lower that out, and now I've exposed my wiring here and I can start to disconnect it. I definitely recommend taking a picture of the wiring just so you can have something to reference back to if you have any questions when you're wiring up your new fan. Once I've got all the wires disconnected, you can see if I come around to this side, there's actually a slot where I can lift up the bottom portion of the fan and take out this post, and just leave this bracket up here to remove later after I've got the main portion of the fan off of there. With my fan out of the way, I can now remove this final piece from the old fan, which is this little bracket here. So there's just gonna be 2 screws, one on each side, that you have to unscrew and pull off. All right, with both of those screws now out, we can pull that bracket off of there. And now we're all set to install our new ceiling fan or light fixture. We've got our wires ready to attach, and you've got your mounting box still in the ceiling, ready for your new unit. Obviously, with the new purchase, it'll come with some instructions to tell you exactly how to mount it and wire it up. If you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you out, feel free to give the video a like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I will see you on the next project.